Hello, welcome to my channel Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya, and thank you so much for all your love, all your respect, all your appreciation, all your suggestions, all your comments. And this is 30-day free workshop based on the very famous Hawaiian, magical, miraculous, forgiveness based healing prayer, Ho'oponopono prayer. And as I promise you, I will show you where I was writing my Ho'oponopono prayer, and this is where I have started writing Ho'oponopono. See, I have, this is my front camera, but you can see this was the Morna Simeona prayer which I have started writing with. And then this is during lockdown when I have started using, as mentioned by Mabel Katz, by writing the Ho'oponopono prayer, by writing, this all the Ho'oponopono tools, dew drop, seed drop, and then by also having some specific symbols, like this is a symbol, music symbol for cleansing. This is a butterfly, my symbol, where I want to clean all these things. Then I used to write about so many things on COVID-19 and all that, on cleansing on all these things during lockdown, and always just cleansing on each and every one of it, my family members, my homes, entire thing. This is what I used to do. I used to clean, I used to write each and everyone's name and wherever we are living and entire universe. Then I used to clean on health, wealth, money. This is all on front camera. I'm so sorry that you can this see this as on the mirror image, but this is what I used to do. Then I used to clean on my husband health, my son's health, and everybody's health. Then I used to clean on whatever I want to share with in the form of workshop and everything. So I used to do this entire cleaning, and I still sometime write. I still sometime whenever I have some problem, I do write in detail and start cleansing by writing all the Ho'oponopono prayer, all the tools, and I even help my husband to make some certain decisions on taking job interviews or having some important decision in his office. I do sometime do this entire prayer for relationship between our kids and our family members. For I do write each and everything which I feel like while noting down. Whenever the infinite intelligence give me some intuition, some ideas, I do note down over here, and that has helped me to make this entire series a success. And then I do this kind of Ho'oponopono prayer for each and everything. I do use this advanced Ho'oponopono tools also, light switch, gold key, and ice blue, hummingbird. I do use the advanced Ho'oponopono tool also. And then there is a water technique of Ho'oponopono that also is being used. And so this is all is happening, and I'm so happy that you people, just a second. As usual, my son has called me and I have to attend it, but I loved it. Whenever I'm recording a video and he calls, I do make it a priority to talk to him. Okay, anyway, I know that you love that all. So I was just talking about this diary in which I used to write, and I still write Ho'oponopono prayer, cleansing everything, writing all the Ho'oponopono tools and all that. So you can do that also. If you love writing, you can keep a diary as gratitude journal. You can keep a diary for Ho'oponopono cleansing also, and you can write just famous 4 phrases, 5th phrase, the basic Ho'oponopono tools, advanced Ho'oponopono tools, and you can start with the cleansing process. Okay, so now today I would like you to give in brief some introduction about myself. Usually we give introduction in the start, but I know that you people still now must have searched about me, know about me, or on Facebook, on Insta, on various my other 4 channels. But still, from my side, I just want to give you a brief introduction that who am I. So as you all know, my name is Ila Anand Acharya, and basically, as for qualification, I am a electronics engineer. I have completed my bachelor's in electronics engineering, and I have completed my master in industrial electronics, that is also known as power electronics, from a very very reputed university of my city. And then I have worked as an assistant professor for almost 9.5 years in again a very very reputed university of my city. Then I have worked as a teacher also, as a teaching assistant also for 1 year in a very famous school of my city. After doing all this juggling, from 2000, I have started my, from 2000 till 2016. Then in the year 2018-19, I have done this teaching process. But since 2010-2011, I am using law of attraction, and through law of attraction I have manifested so many things that I have shared on my success story on my mentor's website, which is Mohit Teheliani's website, which is I will share that link over here. So law of attraction for you. So welcome once again. So I was just sharing my introduction, and then I was talking about my success story on my mentor's website. There I have in detail I have written, and I have given even the dates and whatever I have manifested, one after the another I have shared it in all details. So that all happened. And so from 2011 I started manifesting through law of attraction. Then in 2019 when I came here, this is a place where my husband got transferred, and we are now living here since 5-6 years. So here I started with my law of attraction journey as a life coach. So here when I came over here, I was just focusing on law of attraction. I was just reading the book Think and Grow Rich. I was just watching videos of Bob Proctor, and I was Eric Ho, and I was just watching Jake Ducey's video, and everything which was available on the YouTube channel, and all the self-help books I was going through. And then this Ho'oponopono came into my life, and it has changed the way I used to think. Because law of attraction is a concept, I understand it, I have manifested it, I do still work on it. But Ho'oponopono prayer is having a very easy, effortless flexibility and facility it gives me. Is I love this about that prayer. Okay, Ho'oponopono prayer. So after that I started knowing, researching, and then this is the output of this 5 long years. And but during lockdown from February 2020, I started with my 6-month life coaching course. So I have completed it from Mohit Teheliani's Mind, Body and Soul, India's first online school. I know him personally, that is the reason why I have started with him. And then I completed my life coaching course. I am certified life coach and law of attraction coach. And then I started with Ho'oponopono. So I call myself a Ho'oponopono practitioner. I'm practicing it. I'm still doing it. And I'm not a healer. I'm not a healer. I don't heal through Ho'oponopono prayer any other person, because it is just like opposing the laws of Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono says that if you can heal yourself, you are healing everybody else. So when I do this healing on myself, and I do the healing on my family members, it comes from me, from within also. So I don't try to heal others through this entire process. I just repeat this prayer in my head. I do whatever I can do through 24/7 of healing, and using it on all the tools and everybody, using on my dear and near ones. And that is what I do on my myself, and that is working for others also. So that is what all I do. And after that, uh, after being a Ho'oponopono practitioner, then after, when you use Ho'oponopono, you get these intuitions to do something else. So intuition wise, I came across the Silva method. So through Vishen Lakhiani's, through Helen Hetzel's entire story of being, the person who has won the maximum competitions, and this contest. She's known as a contest queen. I have gone through her entire story, and then I came across Silva method, Dr. Jose Silva Jose, and then I start following Silva centering exercise, Silva meditation, and I started loving it. I did that in the year 2022 for entire 1 year Silva method. Then in the year 23 I came across subliminals. So subliminals is very caution kind of thing. You can use it, but you have to make it very sure which subliminals you are using, because subliminals directly control your subconscious mind. So it is very much important to listen to the subliminals to whom you trust, because you don't know what has been programmed in the subliminals. So I used to be very careful about choosing the subliminal from which I used to listen from the YouTube channel. I don't know how to make subliminals. I don't make subliminals, but I do know few of the person who have this, whom I can trust on the term of subliminal listening. So I do listen to that few, but now 2-3 months back I have just stopped using subliminals, and then now I'm focusing on giving out my knowledge from entire 15 years, and I'm just planning to give away whatever I have free on YouTube channel. And that is the reason I have started with this very first 30-day free workshop. Entire June month I have given my heart out to you all people, and for that, from my positive intention and from the inspiration through divinity, I am here now. And thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for listening to me, for being with me, for appreciating my work, for loving my work, for all your comments, for all your suggestions, for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So if you find out that yes, I'm capable of giving you such important knowledge regarding Ho'oponopono prayer, and if you want some more free workshop, then please do suggest some topics either on Ho'oponopono prayer, on law of attraction, Silva method. I have not yet done any kind of training, or even I have searched on Silva method only for few months, because I have gone through the Silva centering meditations available on YouTube channel, and from few videos, from few audio books by Silva Jose. I have the PDF of the very famous Silva method by Silva Jose book and all that. So I have just gone through these YouTube videos and all that. So I am not a trainer of Silva method, but I do it for myself. And similarly, energy medicine by Donna Eden, I have gone through her videos. I have gone through how she performs the various exercise, and then I do it to myself, and I find some amazing result by doing on it, because it makes my life very easy, effortless, and the pain which can make your life very struggleful, it makes your life easy and effortless. And I also listen to Mabel Katz whenever possible, and the most important, my favorite from law of attraction, Abraham Hicks. I do listen to her every day. So if you want to know what I have learned from Abraham Hicks, please do watch my entire series of Abraham Hicks in my audio version, that is Voila, Voice of Ila Anantacharya. Almost more than 50 videos I have uploaded over there, and there I have shared similar thing, whatever I have learned from Abraham Hicks based on law of attraction. And I love listening to her. I love Abraham Hicks. She almost make this life so much easy, law of attraction so much easy to understand. And I do listen to this very famous Everything is Always Working for Me video, which says yes, it makes me feel that yes, everything is fine, everything is always working out for me, and I'm always at the right time, at the right place, and and I don't believe in instant manifestation. So I do believe in patience. Everything has come into my life, after 1 year or 2.5 year or 5 year or 10 years. But I love this pregnancy period because this is the time when I have feed my baby properly. I have taken a rest properly. Now when the baby is out, I can see it, I can hold it in my hands, and I can enjoy, I can look at her and him or him, and I can look at it and I can feel, thank you God, thank you for this baby. So this is what this 30-day free workshop is, my baby. It's I have waited for 5 long years. It was my pregnancy period, and I'm very happy to share with you, this baby is looking so beautiful. My 30-day free workshop is I appreciate it. I really feel happy. I really feel thankful to universe, to divinity, for giving me this amount of knowledge that I can share it with you, and it has become such big success. So thank you so much. Love you. Whatever you want to know more on law of attraction, on Silva method, on Ho'oponopono prayer, on energy medicine, please do comment below and share it among your friends. Like it, subscribe it to my channel, make it a big success. Love you. Bye.